Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am really excited to be here with you to go over that fabulous car seat that you see back there. That is going to be the CYBEX Cloud G Pro, if I am not mistaken. Excited to go over that with you. Now, if you haven't yet, it would be a perfect time to subscribe to this station. You can get notified when we drop new videos. And again, the best way to show your support for this YouTube channel is to head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. I am a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. And if you are learning from this channel and you're enjoying it, the best way to support us is to head on over to that website, destinationbabykids.com, and take a look at anything fabulous that you might want to purchase for the little one in your life. We do everything best for baby and toddler and some big kid stuff. I've got toys going all the way up to age 12. So head on over there, and even if you don't need a car seat, you might find something else you like. Thanks for watching. Commercials over. Let's launch into this fabulous new CYBEX infant seat. Okay, gang, so here we are with the CYBEX Cloud G Pro. So this is a new reclining infant car seat from CYBEX, currently available. Comes in a host of different colors. You can check those all out at destinationbabykids.com. You can buy it directly from us and we can ship it right to your home. But it will include one base with purchase, and you can use this car seat with the base or without the base. So the base is able to be installed with rigid lower anchor, or you could utilize a seat belt. Now, for the car seat, if you're using the car seat on the base, you don't need to worry about doing anything to it. But if you wanted to use the car seat on its own without the base, your installation method there is going to be seat belt. So totally fabulous option. It's going to work from 4 pounds going all the way through to 30 pounds. And we love that it goes to 32 standing inches for babies. So that's a nice tall body and a pretty reasonable weight for that first year. So I would anticipate you'd be able to use this infant car seat for around baby's first year of life. Now, next thing to note is that it's going to come with infant padding. So that infant padding you use from 4 to 11 pounds. The infant padding is pretty cool because the side wings you can actually tuck under the other part of the padding for a really, really little baby to elevate them, to make sure that that chin to chest is not going to be a problem when you're driving. Now, another nice thing about the base is that it has a pretty intense recline adjustment. So sometimes back seats are set in a position where it makes it a little bit more frustrating to install the car seat. You have a recline indicator on the side of the seat. Blue is the level that you want to be in, and if you did need to adjust the car seat base, all of the moving pieces on the base, they're color organized, so they're in gray. So you can lift the handle and you see the whole base has a variety of positions to stop at for different recline and incline angles. So we love that. We love the clarity there. Again, the clarity for moving the individual metal rigid latches is very clear. The base itself will have an anti-rebound panel, and it also has an adjustable stability load leg. That's metal, so we really like that. There's also green indicators on the base to let you know when certain things have been done properly as far as the installation goes, so very, very useful. I am making an installation video about this guy just on its own. You can check that out after you're done watching this video. So getting back to the car seat, as I mentioned, car seat will hold from 4 pounds all the way through to 30. That infant insert is, of course, removable. To adjust the harness on the car seat, there is a silver tab in between the legs that's surrounded by plastic. I do like this because there's some clarity for caregivers on where to press, and then you'll just pull the harness outward, and that will enable you to loosen it. We'll go ahead and remove the infant padding, but just to bring over to the camera to show the materials on this, it's pretty cool. They have a perforated fabric for the inside of the seat, and then the sides of the seat are going to be like a smooth material. Now, it's definitely not as nice and as soft as the Cloud T, which is their more premium infant seat, but that is more expensive. So this guy, I believe, is I have to double check the price, but I think it is $500, and I think the Cloud T is $550. So I know that the fancier one is $50 more, and the material is certainly nicer, and the look is a little bit cooler. This one is theoretically lighter, so the weight overall of this seat, it's still kind of heavy, but the reason why it's heavy is because it reclines, and we'll get into that and show you that on a stroller. But the seat itself weighs about 12 pounds, 11 ounces. So it is not terrible, but some of the lighter weight seats are gonna run you around 8 pounds. So it's definitely a little heavier than that. But I would argue all car seats are horribly heavy when you have children in them. So sort of becomes like, what the hell's the difference at that point? But irrespective, that is the weight. Now, some length information. The leg depth on the seat, which is this part here, that's 11.5 inches. The overall shell is 20 inches. You do get a 12-inch torso height on the adjustable headpiece. So when I pull that headpiece up, the harness is also raising up with it. So it's not a manual rethread harness. It's actually much easier than that, which is very, very cool. This material is all Green Guard Gold certified. It is naturally flame resistant, flame retardant free. So very, very nice feature there. The interior width of the seat is 8.5 inches at its widest point. So as far as infant car seat goes, there are some seats that are gonna have a larger interior pan. So if you're broad, something to be aware of, CYBEX for the infant seat is just a little narrower as it runs through. The seat will have a 6-year expiration, so that's very, very useful. And a very nice feature of this seat that's gonna be different than a lot of other seats right now is that it is FMVSS 213B compliant. So it's gonna be compliant for that new side impact test that should eventually go into effect here. It hasn't yet, but this seat is prepared for when it does. Now, something else to be aware of about this seat is that it's going to have side impact pieces that you engage for whatever side is positioned next to your vehicle door. So hopefully you guys can see that little wing. You just use that when you're using the car seat next to a door. So if this car seat is in the middle position, you wouldn't use either one of these. You don't want to engage the one that is not open toward the door. You want to just use it immediately adjacent to a door. So another thing, it does have a very nice long canopy. And so the other part that we want to show is the recline. So the seat will go from 90 degrees to, I did measure it with my protractor, 90 degrees to 135 degrees of recline, which is pretty awesome. We'll show it with the baby at the very end in a stroller just so you guys can see. And it has a 4-inch crotch belt depth, so that's pretty typical. But we just wanted to go over some of the features of this seat. It'll fit on a broad variety of strollers. I'm gonna show you guys it reclined and upright on a Bugaboo Dragonfly with a little doll in it so you can see that recline in action. Give me one sec. All right, friends, so here we have a frame of a Bugaboo Dragonfly. I'm gonna go ahead and take my baby, who's not buckled into their car seat because it's a doll, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on the CYBEX Nuna Maxi-Cosi Britex adapter from Bugaboo, and you will see the car seat will snap on. And this is what we're talking about as far as the recline. So baby's in here, and maybe you're out for longer than you plan to be during the day. You would have the opportunity here to pinch this lever on the back and recline the child. So now they're in a more reclined position versus a more upright position. So again, we go from that 90 degrees to, I believe it was 135 degrees of recline, and that is on your CYBEX Cloud G Pro. If you have questions or you have comments, feel free to leave them below, and check out any of the fabulous products that we talked about in this video on my website, destinationbabykids.com.